Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to remove or how to delete pop-ups in Mozilla Firefox web browser. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the browser. So I'm clicking on this startup menu and searching here Firefox. And you will see the icon like this. Open it and you will see the exact this interface, and normally click on this 3-bar line icon and then you have to choose settings. And here you will get an option privacy and security. Click on it, and now if you scroll down a bit, you will get an option here, and the name of the option is block pop-up windows. So normally uncheck this option. So if you uncheck this, that means you are going to remove all of the pop-up in this browser. That's all about today's video. Now you know how to remove or delete pop-ups in Mozilla Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.